Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up shipping and order tracking in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, you will be needing to have some plugin or extension that would allow you to add the tracking feature into your WooCommerce store. And simply you can either go to extensions from the WooCommerce marketplace, and from there you can just search for shipment tracking, and here I'm just going to type shipments tracking, and basically we will need just to search for any plugin for this. And as you can see, there is already some WooCommerce shipments tracking, and it will add shipment tracking information to your orders, or you can have some custom plugins that you may prefer. And in my case, I'm already using an advanced shipment tracking plugin, and basically the ones that I have, it is called advanced shipment tracking. And I'm just going to type it here. And basically, I'm just going to add tracking as a keyword. And I'm going to have result here. And all we need to do is to activate the plugins that you will need to be choosing. And in my case, I have this one. And you will go to WooCommerce and you will have your shipments tracking that will be added here. And from here, you can start setting up your shipment tracking. You can add integration if you would like. You can have some pro features if you would like also. And from here, you can add settings for your tracking. You can add some uh, order actions. You can have some notification if you want to enable them, shipment tracking API if you have, etc. And basically after that, you will need just to go to your orders, and from there you can start add shipment tracking for your orders. So for example, I have this order. All I need to do is just to click on add tracking number, and you give it a number, and then you can start adding a provider, well, whoever was the provider that you already have, and then you can add the date shipped and click on fulfill order, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.